Hey guys, this is Bella. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you to cook a dish called twice cooked pork slices. It originates from a rural area of Sichuan province, playing a vital role in Sichuan cuisine. You may wonder why I can't make this dish. That's because my mom comes from Sichuan, so I got some cooking skills from her. Alright, let's go.
Been running circles trying to get in your head. All of the time I could have left you instead. Made up my mind, now I'ma stay in my bed. Will you come back now? I saw it coming from the day that we met. Always the one who sailed the ship into red. My life is littered by a trail of regret. Will you come back now? Oh, 'cause I can't even close my eyes without seeing you by my side. I need you to feel alive. And I come with arms open wide, whatever it is you decide. I need you to feel alive. Tossing